See, hi children, welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 3, Judgment of the Owl. In previous class we have learned the green wealth and different types of leaves and colors and their shapes, and we have collected some different types of leaves also. Okay, now today we are going to identify the differences between living beings and non-living things. Okay children, have you know what are living things and what are non-living things? Okay, living things are the things which have life, and non-living things are the things which won't have life. They are non-living things, they don't have life. Okay, it means how to guess the living things and non-living things. What are the similarities and differences between the animals and plants? Okay, we are going to learn today. Now, living things, they grow, but non-living things, they won't grow. Okay, they have life. They living things have life. They give birth to their young ones, living things, but non-living things, they don't give a birth. Okay, now we will see today's lesson number 3, Judgment of the Owl. Okay, after studying this lesson, you identify the differences between living beings and non-living things. We are understanding the differences between living things and the non-living things. Identify the similarities and differences between animals and plants. We are getting the ideas and we are identifying the similarities and differences between animals and plants. Once there was an argument between a mango tree and the soil. There was an argument between a mango tree and the soil. Mango tree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ, soil ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಣ್ಣು. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ನಡಬರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು? ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. And the soil about who was greater. Their argument was very hot. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಒಳಗೆ ಚರ್ಚಾ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ಅವರೊಳಗೆ ವಾದ ವಿವಾದ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾದ ವಿವಾದ. ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್, ನಾ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದೀನೋ ಏನು ಮಣ್ಣು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟು ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಐತೋ ಏನು ಮಣ್ಣು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತಂದು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಳಗೂ ಹಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ soil. Okay, you are seeing in this picture mango tree and soil. Hearing the noise, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆವಾಜ್ ಕೇಳಿಸಿ, they heard the noise of these both guys arguments. The cat, the monkey, the snake and the owl gathered there. By the hearing the noise of mango tree and soil, which animals came there? Monkey, cat, snake and owl. Monkey, snake, cat, squirrel, deer, all of them, they joined them. Okay, because of their noise of their arguments. Okay, everyone requested the owl to decide the dispute. Everyone, all the animals requested to owl to clear the dispute. Dispute means ಅವ್ರ ಜಗಳವನ್ನು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಲು ಔಲ್ನ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಯಾರು? ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಔಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೋಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ what happened? The owl told to all animals to present their owl told to soil and mango tree to present their arguments. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಗಳ ಏನದ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನು ವಾದದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಔಲ ಎರಡಿಗೂ ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾವಿನ ಮರಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತು. ಓಕೆ, the arguments and the conversation between the owl, mango tree and a soil, we are going to listen in the upcoming video. Thank you children.